Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix products. First, navigate to wix.com and sign up for a free account or login. Once inside, you can select Create New Site to start your project. Wix provides a user-friendly editor where you can drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos directly onto your page. This intuitive design makes building a professional website accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. After choosing a template, personalize it to reflect your unique vision. Replace placeholder text with your own compelling copy and upload high-quality images or videos. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. Remember to use the mobile editor to ensure your site looks fantastic and functions perfectly on smaller screens, reaching a wider audience. To extend your website's capabilities, dive into the Wix app market. Here, you'll find hundreds of applications to integrate, from e-commerce solutions and booking systems to advanced SEO tools and customer support chats. Adding apps is simple, often just a few clicks, and they can significantly enhance your site's functionality, helping you achieve specific business objectives and provide a richer user experience. Wix isn't just for building, it's also a robust platform for managing and growing your online presence. Use the built-in SEO tools to optimize your site for search engines, helping more people discover your business. Track your site's performance with analytics, manage customer relationships, and process orders all from your Wix dashboard. For more great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.